Congratulations on your brand new Companion 180 electric wheelchair. Here at Out & About Healthcare, we believe in empowering people on their journey to independence with the latest in mobility innovation. Thank you for joining the Out & About family. Now that you have your brand new Companion, it's time to open it. Lay the box flat on the ground. Carefully pull the wheelchair from the box. Remove all the packaging. To unfold your wheelchair, move the armrest up. Have a firm hold on the seat and the footrest and pull the chair out until you hear a click. Move the armrest down. Unfold the backrest by pulling up. Your Companion has a storage basket below the seat. This is where you will find your battery charger and control panel. Your Companion's footrest will be wrapped to protect it in transit. Remove this packaging before use. The front wheels will also be wrapped. Mount the control panel on the armrest and secure it with the clasp. There will be a cable near the armrest to connect the control panel to. Connect these cables. Secure the cord in the clips on the armrest. Switch on your Companion to ensure the control panel is correctly attached. Your Companion is all set up. To charge your wheelchair, connect the cable to the battery box. Your charger port is located on the control panel of your wheelchair. Plug in the XLR charger. We recommend purchasing an outlet surge protector for your wheelchair. This will help protect your wheelchair from damage in the event of a sudden surge of power. Plug the charger into a standard wall outlet. If the battery indicator shows red, you'll need to leave your wheelchair on charge. Your Companion wheelchair is equipped with an over-discharge protector. This means when your battery is running low, the wheelchair will cut off the circuit and shut the control panel off. You'll need to charge your wheelchair as soon as possible if this occurs. Batteries take approximately 10 to 12 hours to charge after a full discharge. If the battery indicator shows green, your Companion is fully charged. It is important to keep an eye on your battery indicator as it is a visual representation of your charge. On green, you have full charge. On yellow, start consider charging. On red, you have low charge and will need to recharge your wheelchair. We recommend charging your wheelchair overnight after daily use. Your wheelchair is equipped with a number of features, including an adjustable seatbelt, leg guards, and movable arms. Your Companion has a user-friendly digital display control panel, which includes a power button, speed increase or up button, speed decrease or down button, a menu button, an SOS or back button, and a horn. To access the menu, press the menu button. Use your joystick to navigate down the menu. To change a setting, move the joystick right to toggle through the options. To activate freewheel mode on your Companion, locate the red levers at the back of your chair. To freewheel, push the lever up on both sides. This means you'll be able to push your wheelchair manually. To take it off, simply push the lever down on both sides. Your wheelchair will not work if you are in freewheel mode. Make sure the levers are in the lock position before attempting to use your wheelchair. In the event of travel, you may need to remove the batteries. They are located on either side of the seat. To release the battery, press the button and hold the battery grip. Pull the battery from the holder. To remount the battery, line the battery bottom up with the battery holder and slide it in. The battery is securely in place when you hear a click. To fold your wheelchair, move the armrest up and behind the wheelchair. Fold the backrest down and pull the footrest up. Locate the release lever at the back of your wheelchair and pull it together to release the backrest. Pull the footrest up towards the seat to fold. To stand your wheelchair up, pull the support arm located at the back. Carefully pull your wheelchair back until it is resting securely. If you have any questions about your new companion, be sure to refer to the manual or contact Out and About Healthcare on 1300 366 545.